So we're installing a glass mural today at Mayos. And as you can see, the first panel here has gone up. It's going to go over all these doors and windows. This is on a self-adhesive vinyl. And we can do these either with a white laminate on the back or clear or even as a one-way vision. But today we're doing a translucent look. And as you can see, they're squeegeeing out all of the Windex and the colour comes off as we go. Now the goal for the office is to not allow staff to see it onto the boss's computer and to add a bit of colour to the space, which this will do in the end, but nice and subtle.
Hey Liz, it's looking really good over here at Mayo. Probably the only issue is just the join, but that's unavoidable. And the client decided to leave off the white laminate. So there's more light and he could see the artwork from the other side. So yeah, guys are doing a great job. Thank you.